Hi everyone, welcome back to another thrilling instalment of White Rose Outdoors. In today's episode we're going to be fitting the swivel base that I picked up for an absolute steal. So, I picked this up for £60 off eBay. It's an heavy duty one, super thick. I believe looking at it, it's one that's designed that you can bypass the rubber that's there. So you need to have either, like a lot of people do, they cut the rubber out, the foam out for it to sit on, or as that I'm hoping is going to be a case of these large extensions allow it so you can just put it in place without cutting the foam out. If I have to cut the foam out, I will do, but I'm hoping not to. But anyway, let's have a look. I've already gone ahead and redone the rusty parts in Hammerite. Didn't have any black Hammerite at Halfords. They've just changed vendor, so I also got the contract. But they had this, and it was like £1.80 for the tub. And this is going to be on the base. I don't care what it looks like. I'm not going to see it. Anyway, let's go. And because it's a bit chilly today in van, whilst it's raining, I've got the heater on. So again, looking at it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I'll see if I can move them. They are quite tight. The only thing that concerns me is I might have to change the location of this, but I'll cross that bridge in a moment when I get to it. That'll help. After being in there since the day that I had built. I'll carry on. Okay, so that's all 4 bolts out. So I should theoretically. Okay, so that's all 4 bolts out. So I should theoretically be able to lift this up away. Success. Could have brought the old little Dyson with me. It's a bit mucky. We'll get it cleaned up and then see where this plate sits. Definitely have to move that subwoofer. Fantastic. Subwoofer up. Let's see where we can go. What is really good though, alright, with those razors I don't have to cut any of the foam down at all. Fantastic. So one thing's for sure, I can't get to the bolts underneath. Oh, I need to go them. So I'm going to take the top plate off, if I can. To get to bolts underneath so I can fit it. Slides over. Right, with this being the bit that spins, I'm just going to put some. I've cleaned plate up. Just going to put some copper slip on here, just to help it along a bit. You can tell me in comments whether or not this is the right thing to do or not. It just sound of the pound, that. Right, angle might be a bit crap. Here we go. She's on. Way. So she's on, a little bit taller. But whatever, she's in. I'll just bolt this up then. Don't need to see me doing that. Then we'll give her a twirl. Truth. So as you can see, she's in. Nice and comfy, not too bad to turn around. These plates, I mean, I picked it up for like 60 quid second hand, but it's absolutely solid. I've seen some of the brand new ones you can get for nearly £400. They're made out like Chinese flimsy stuff. And they're really thin steel. This one's absolutely solid. It's got like M14 bolts that you screw into it as well. I've got absolutely no issues with this being in there for me. For my wife and my son to be sat in, or myself and my son, if my wife drives the van. I'm 6'1". I've got plenty of head out here that I'm not going to bang my head. So there's no problems with my wife, who's a lot shorter than me, banging her head on this. Not an issue. We've got somewhere comfy when we're camping, or just out somewhere for the day, just to spin it around. 5 minutes faffing, spin it around, done. Less chase to carry into the van. Less worrying about seating, because I were going to do like a U-shaped seating with a table that drops down and everything, for so I can have seating and then a bed. But I'm thinking now I've done this, I'm thinking I might have a fixed bed, cabinetry, and call it a day. Job's a good one. So I've got somewhere to cook and everything on that side. I've got a new window that's here. I'm just waiting for etching primer to get delivered and the weather to pick up, and then I can fit that. The camera's currently sat on the box with the new headlights in. Hopefully they're up to scratch. I've not looked at them, because mine are yellow to eye oven, and they're no good. So I bought these for offline for about 80 quid, so that'll be alright. Yeah, she's coming on together nicely. I just need to get some holders and plywood, fix a few of the bits and bobs. Recently done, I've not done video because I just wanted to get it done. I've done clutch, master cylinder, slave cylinder, brake pads, engine oil, gearbox oil, oil filter, air filter. Did it in a day with a friend of mine who's an ex-mechanic, and we just took it all off in front of the house. I was driving to work all the week and put my foot down at the clutch pedal, and I just felt something got pop. Turns out the pipes burst off. Couldn't work out what were at fault specifically, and we're trying to test things out. It looked like it might have been slave cylinder that were at fault. So the slave cylinder itself is a concentric slave cylinder, so it's inside the gearbox. So that meant taking the gearbox off, and while you're at it, you may as well change clutch. So that wasn't as costly as I thought it was going to be. All in all, I think it owes me about 400 quid for all that, so it's not too bad. That's including oils and pads and stuff like that, because I bought Bosch pads for like 60 quid. So yeah, and then when I rebuilt it all, we brought the gear linkage cable, which again I've done today. I didn't film that. I just wanted to get it done. Again, it's been raining and I was annoyed with van, so I just wanted to get it. It's one of them jobs you just want to get it done. So I've not filmed that. I like to for content, but it is what it is. Anyway, she's had a full rebuild, pretty much. I'm just waiting, like I said, to get some plywood to finish her off. Anyway, if you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Share with your friends and family. Show them all this crap that you're watching that's obviously no good for you to actually be watching. And just see what this fat old bloke's doing to his van. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.